How to fix Xender app not working problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Xender app not working properly or not working at all. So this is how you fix it. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your app store. Make sure that your Xender is up to date and it's up to its latest version. So simply search for Xender in your Google Play Store or your App Store. After you find Xender, check if there is an update button instead of the open button. If there is, tap on update. Now what this will do is this will come up with new bug fixes. It will just add new features to your Xender. Overall, it will just fix the problem if the problem has been recognized earlier. So after doing that, your Xender should get fixed. And if it still does not work, you can head over to your settings. You can head over to general, navigate to iPhone storage and find the Xender app. So after you find the Xender app, open it up and then offload it. After you offload the app, you will then need to reinstall it back again. So after you reinstall it, just wait for it to get reinstalled, and after it does, your problem should get fixed and you're good to go. And that is basically all for the video too, guys. Thanks for watching. That is how you fix Xender app not working. Stay tuned for more.